Hello and welcome to another episode of Dev Codigo, and for this video nag-unbox tayo ng isang wired controller for Xbox and gumagana din naman siya sa ating PC. So nabili natin ito from Lazada sa halagang 468 pesos lang, and both black and white variants looks okay in terms of quality. Of course, since hindi ito yung original, we will see kung tatagal ba ito dahil minsan lang naman tayo naglalaro. Okay, so gagamitin natin ito sa larong Fall Guys, Tekken 7, Naruto Ninja Storm, at kung ano pang compatible games na makikita natin. So this device is plug and play and should be compatible with basically any Windows PC or Xbox. So I'm not sure yet if this works with Linux, pero kung interesado kayong malaman, please comment down below para itest natin sa Steam sa Linux. Pero later papakita natin kung automatic ba siyang madedetect na itatry nating laro later. Pero bago yon, here's a quick montage of the Xbox controller na nabili natin from Lazada. Enjoy! So I hope you like this Xbox controller quick unboxing and overview. Kung nagustuhan nyo, please like, and dislike naman kung hindi kayo mahal ng nanay nyo. Please consider subscribing dahil meron tayong giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscriber milestone, at marami pa tayong upcoming videos kagaya nito. Hanggang sa muli, this is Dev Codigo. Cheers!